Hi. So today I actually wanted to speak about mental health and my mom's battle fighting a mental illness. As you all know, my mom has been battling a very serious mental illness from I think 18 years, and I salute her courage and her will and her strength for making it till now. I think, as far as I remember, as much as she says that many people supported her, there were many people by her side, but then I think I have been a sole witness to probably say that she battled it alone. The day after day, waking up with such a serious condition, feeling tired every day, and not knowing what's going on around her, she still managed to do the best for each and everyone around her. And yes, honestly, she did it alone because at one point, nobody could understand what was going on with her, and they did leave her for some point or the other. And I think, despite no matter how many times she fell down, no matter how many times she dropped, no matter how many times she lost hopes, the courage she had to pick herself up, to tell that no, I have to fight this, is something which is commendable. So I think one thing I want to tell you guys is, in a world where mental health is stigmatized, people are not supported, people don't really have awareness about mental health. The fact that she was able to recognize her illness, the fact that she was able to be aware of her symptoms every single day, I think, like, from the time I was 6 or 7, I have seen her fight this illness every day, and the strength she takes to fight it every single day, no matter what it is, I think, for me, she is definitely Superwoman or Wonder Woman, or I think even those words fall in short for me to describe her. Because I think one more factor which probably pulls a person down with such a serious condition is the fact that they already existingly see people around them as, they feel that they're a burden to people around them. The fact that many people left her side despite her explaining her condition to them was something which, I don't know, it's very sad. I think, like, in such serious conditions, the least we can do is be by that person's side, support them, encourage them, and that's it. That's all it takes. And the fact that my mom has been a sole warrior, a lone warrior in this, she has probably all through the years, she has collected herself up, she has tried to do her best in battling it, is something I salute her for.